Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's take a look at what is gonna go here. And what is in the bag. Get rid of the plastic bag. Well, we have two stamped cross-stitch kits, and this comes from DIYChoose. And hang on just a second. Sorry about that. One of the things fell, must have been like right on the edge of the table. DIYChoose, and if I have a discount code, I'll put that, and if they have any specials or anything going on, I'll put that as well here, and both of those in the description box below. So let's get started. Let's start with this thing that fell on the floor. It's gorgeous. And these were, this is style number 1. It was $3.89. If I can get it out of its container here. Oh, very nice. And it does have a little bit of oil on there. Boy, them puppies are sharp. But aren't they beautiful? They're iridescent. Just gorgeous. And I like that they have the nice big holes because I kind of got fat fingers. So, and very nice. They're not too big. Put that next to it. So they're about half an inch shorter than some of the others that I have. But very nice. I'm collecting scissors evidently. But can you see, let me put those down before I stab myself. My goodness. It has a little bit of, I can't tell what all that is. Maybe it's Chinese writing or something. It's very indistinct, but it's some kind of a little pattern. But I was going to show you all the pattern that goes along here. Now these come in several colors. I'll put a picture, hopefully, of all the ones that they have. Sometimes they have a picture that shows every one and all the colors. But I just wanted to get the iridescent ones. So they were very nice. And they're not too expensive at $3.89. Oh yeah, we can do that. All right. So let's get on with the cross stitch. And this one was $11. It's 14 count, $11.09. It's quite big. And it says Cottage 6. And it seems, this picture looks very pixelated, so I'm interested to see what it looks like on the inside. It is a typical Joy Sunday. It is stamped. So, and it does have the instructions on the back, just like all the other Joy Sundays, but it's a little bit big. Turn this over. Maybe they will have a better picture. Sometimes. It's kind of unheard of for Joy Sunday. It's like they came up as far as they could. So, oh, here we go. There is almost a better picture. If there is another picture, I will put it right here as well. It is 228 by 176, and this, like I said, is 14 count. So very nice. I'm just not real happy with that picture. It just looks like something somebody did in DOS. So let's take a look and see how many colors. It's a nice big booklet. The booklet will not match the canvas. Let me look and see what's going on. Okay, so this is one of those. Okay, back up. First off, first things first. We have 47 colors. The top 2 of this go with the paper pattern right along here. These bottom 2 lines go with the canvas. So it has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. But very nicely printed canvas. And it is a partial. But very easy to see. I'm trying to see where, oh, the back stitch goes around the birds. And is there any, nope, that's it. So just gotta live through the birds, because I don't see any other back stitching anyplace else. Yeehaw. Okay. What I need is a large 14 count. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? Let me get these shaped out. Alright, shook out, sorry. So, no 3371, so they're not using that for a brown. They have another dark, it looks like a brownish green. It's 3021. So we have browns, tans, greens, a little bit of blue, a little bit of pink, kind of a core orange, and then maybe a dark rose color. I don't know how to explain it. And we have B5200. Look at that purpley blue. And over here we got pastels. So it's like one spectrum to the other. And it is on one of those lovely cards. I've explained it before. Red numbers mean how many threads you have. Then you have the DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. But look at all the pastels. It's weird. Then we have darker colors, so I guess they're just gonna fill in the gaps with, holy cow, 47 colors. Okie dokie, but very pretty colors. Very nice. Very nicely done. Turn it over again. Lots of greens. Some browns. And a touch of blues. And yellows. There must be 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 different shades of yellow, if you will. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh my gosh. This one's huge. Well, for me, huge. But we're gonna get there. Hang on. I gotta figure out. Oh, of course I got it upside down. Holy cow. If I just look for the title, they always put the 2 numbers and the title that's on the front page up at top, so you know that's the top. But nice, big, huge key. Very easy to see, all the numbers, all the symbols. Here is your French knot color, and then you have 2 colors in back stitching, which I still don't know, other than the birds. That's all I saw. And those birds are right there, so they're micro birds. One's right there, and one is right where my finger is. So, now you could add as much back stitching to this as you want, but yeah, this does not look like it would be difficult. I don't see a whole bunch of confetti, so it'd be a nice beginner one because there's nominal back stitching, and there's the French knot. I have no idea where it's at. In fact, the French knot is too big for the birds. You know what I mean? Okay, maybe they are. There's your R. Your two French knots. This is a perfect beginner one. But like I said, you could put as much back stitching and make as much definition as you wanted to in this. But very nice. Let's see how big it is. It is serged all the way around, before I forget, like typical Joy Sunday. It is 19.5 inches, or a little over 49.5 centimeters, and 40 centimeters this way, or 15 3/4. Actual picture is almost 12 3/4 inches, or 32 centimeters. I'm losing my voice. Hang on. Excuse me. Yeah. And it is 42 centimeters, or 16.5 inches. So, not too bad. And partial, so you don't, wherever it's white here, you don't do the background. So you could just go right along and hop, skip, and jump and do whatever you wanted. But I really like this. And I hope it'll come out more defined than it is appearing. But very nice. And there's no half cross stitch in this. Not even in the shadows. So, very nice. Hardly wait to start that one. That is beautiful. All right. Let me get the next one. I'm looking. Okay, I saw this on somebody else's channel, and I can't remember if it was Owl Bestitching or Desert Owl Crafting or Swinny Switch Effect with Corey. I don't know. Somebody got this. And I went, you know, I really like those colors, so hang on. All right, I am back, but look at those colors. Can you ever? That just screams 550 purple. I'm just telling you. And 996, that turquoise color. Ugh. Just absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is made by the new company. It does have instructions how to start, how to finish. Product number is up here. It is an 11 count, and paper pattern will match the canvas. The threads did come in a bag with the product number and the size on it as well. Now this one is a 40 by 50, but beautiful, beautiful pattern. This is another beginner one. It does not have a lot of confetti in it. And wow. Just wow. It's a little small. Yeah, the print is kind of small. But very clear. No smudges, no smears, no nothing. It has 40 colors, guys. 40 colors. So let's look. We have 154 mulberry. No 310 black. 550 purple we have. We have no 823. We do have 939. And we have 996 that I told you was the turquoise. And no 3371 or 3865. So I'm not sure how much white is in this. Or light color. I don't see anything that would indicate that, but very nicely done. They're just doing an awesome job. Down here it's 158 by 191, 40 by 50, and that'll say that on the canvas as well. But that picture is just vivid, just jewel tone vivid. I went, oh yeah, gotta have that, got to have that. Oh, by the way, don't get these wet, because I accidentally spit on it just a little bit. I'm sorry. And it's, I'll just let it dry there. But you can see where I tried to brush it off. Yeah. It's going to melt if you get it wet. Let's take a look. We have a toolkit, 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have the cat again. Let's look at those gorgeous colors. Are you ready? Can you ever? Sit down, people. Sit down, get yourself something to drink, because this is beautiful. It's like a friggin' rainbow. Hang on. I'm trying. And then I twisted it all up. Can you ever look at all of those beautiful, scrumptious colors? I am drooling. Let's see if I can get it back. But look at the oranges, the pinks, the purples, the blues. Dark blue. Pink. Guess that's kind of a peach. And hot pink. Look at that purple. That blue. Next to that peach. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I feel a start itching. But just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Jewel tones. This is going to be awesome. Beautiful. I can't. I just can't. It's gorgeous. And it didn't come with a rubber band. That's why I've got a death grip on it over here. Let me get it together and put it back in its bag. Mute your thing for a few seconds till I get it in the bag. Just didn't want to let go. See what I mean? 40 by 50 and the product number. Let's take a look at the canvas. Product number already there, serged all the way around. And the stitching does not go into the numbers, so you can still see the numbers really well that you're going to have for the thread cards, unless you go through and number your thread cards, which is perfectly fine. They're your thread cards. You can do whatever you want with them. But also down here, it's 40 by 50, 148 by 191. Very, very nicely done. Very clear, very easy to see. And this is my favorite size. It's not snack size by any means, but it's just nice to hold in your hands because it's not so wide, it's not too long, doesn't get carried away. Whoops, I'm sorry. I hit everybody. My bad. And it doesn't look real confettied at all. It's got some bigger areas, and the background is kind of a swirly color, where it goes from pale, and then up in here it gets really dark around the top to accentuate all those lilies. You know, the lighter color lilies. Oh, I did not see. Oh, crap. I don't want to take it out of there again. I guess there's going to be some, like, pale pink in there for the white, if you will. So, yeah. But you know I'd have to start with 550 purple. There's just no question. But it's, I want to say variegated, the background. So they have shown that here. So it's not just all dark color or all light color. Because they have to have something lighter in between here where all those dark 550 purple flowers are, so to speak. Very nice. Very nicely done. Okay, where's my doodah? Alright, 50.5 centimeters, or almost 20 inches by, you can get it there, 39.5 centimeters, or a little over 15.5 inches. The actual picture size is, almost 13.25 inches, or 33.5 centimeters by, now we're all twisted up here, 17.25 inches, or 44 centimeters. But it's just a lovely size. Just lovely. Can hardly wait. Yeah, there's just too many. I gotta start that. I gotta start that. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I guess we did have a 14 count today. I'm sorry. My bad. I'm just so with it. I'm looking. But very well done. Very good job. Thank you, DIYChoose, for these beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors and kits and thread. Yep, you know it does it. Now, DIYChoose, if they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, put it below and in the beginning of this video. They do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also have embroidery. They have a separate Joy Sunday section, and they also do custom. And they always have a great selection. They're always up to date on getting different new kits in there all the time. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.